Miscellaneous exercise on chapter 5, continuity and differentiability. Differentiate with respect to x in the function exercise from 1 to 11. From question number 1 to 11, differentiate with respect to x. The first question is 3x square minus 9x plus 5 whole power 9. Suppose it is y equal to 3x square minus 9x plus 5 raised to power 9. Now differentiate with respect to x. Right. The differentiation of by the formula of x raised to power n, it is equal to the n means 9x plus 5 raised to power 9 minus 1 8, and d over dx of 3x square minus 9x plus 5. Okay, 3x square minus 9x plus 5, and differentiation of is this 3 into 2 6x minus 9, and differentiation of 5 is 0. Now take 3 common from this. So 3 into 9 27, and 3x square minus 9x plus 5, and it is 2x minus 3. This is the differentiation of the given function. Now question number 2. The second question is here sin cube x plus cos raised to power 6x. So we can write y equal to sin x whole cube plus cos x raised to power 6. Now differentiate of the each term d over dx of sin x whole cube and d over dx of cos x raised to power 6. X raised to power n, by the pressure it is 3 sin x raised to power 2. 3 minus 1 2, and d over dx of sin x, and in this 6 cos x raised to power 5, and d over dx of cos x. Okay, now write 3 sin square x, and differentiation of sin x is cos x, and cos x differentiation minus 6 cos raised to power 5x and sin x. Take 3 sin x cos x common. Sin x cos x common. It is equal to the sin x and minus 2 cos raised to power 4x. This is the differentiation of sin cube x plus cos raised to power 6x. Question number 3. Third question is this 5x raised to power 3 cos 2x. It is equal to y. Okay. Now take log. Log y equal to 3 cos 2x log 5x. Now the differentiation 1 upon y dy over dx, and the d over dx of 3 cos 2x and log 5x. By the product rule 3 here, the first function cos 2x and differentiation of log 5x, and log 5x and differentiation of cos 2x. Okay. Now 3 cos 2x 1 by 5x into 5. The differentiation of 5x is 5, and same log 5x, differentiation of cos 2x is equal to minus sin 2x and 2. 2x, differentiation of 2x is 2. Okay. Now 5 cancel. Okay, cross multiply of y, dy over dx equal to y means y equal to 5x raised to power 3 cos 2x into 3. This is the 3, and cos 2x upon x minus 2 sin 2x and log 5x. This is the differentiation of the given question. Okay, question number 3 complete. Now fourth one, sin inverse x root x. This can be written as y equal to sin inverse x root x means x raised to power 3 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2, it is equal to the 3 by 2. So now differentiation dy over dx equal to the differentiation of sin inverse x equal to 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. It means 1 minus x raised to power 3 by 2 whole square, and differentiation of x raised to power 3. Okay. Now differentiate of x raised to power 3 by 2 equal to 3 by 2 and x की power 1 by 2 and divided by under root 1 minus x cube. 2 cancel, x cube. Okay. So 3 by 2 and under root x upon x over 1 minus 1 minus x cube. X raised to power 1 by 2 can be written in the under root x upon. The next question is cos inverse x by 2 upon under root 2x plus 7. So this is equal to y. Now differentiate. dy over dx, d over dx of cos inverse x by 2 upon under root 2x plus 7. इसको हम लोग डिफ्रेंशिएट करेंगे डिवीजन रूल से. डिवीजन रूल मीन्स फर्स्ट राइट डिनोमिनेटर, देन डिफ्रेंशिएशन ऑफ न्यूमरेटर. न्यूमरेटर लिखेंगे एंड डिफ्रेंशिएशन ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर रूट 2x plus 7 divided by denominator square, and square of this is equal to 2x plus 7. Now under root 2x plus 7, the differentiation of cos inverse x, the formula is 1 upon under root minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. It means x by 2 whole square, and differentiation of x by 2 is 1 by 2. And cos inverse x by 2 and differentiation of this is equal to 1 upon root 2x plus 7 into 2. 1 by 2 root 2x plus 7. Okay, minus 1, it is d over dx is 2x plus 7 is equal to 2 into 2x plus 7 differentiated 2 divided by 2x plus 7. Now rearrange the terms. Full rearrange the terms. It is equal to the minus root 2x plus 7 divided by 2 to the 4, 4 minus x square और 2 ऊपर चला जाएगा, तो यहाँ क्या हो जाएगा 2 upon 4 minus x square and plus cos inverse x by 2 upon 2 cancel root 2x plus 7 and divided by 2x plus 7 into 1 by 2. It is equal to the 1 by 2, 2 into 2 cancel. This is 1 by 2, 2 cancel. The answer is minus root 2x plus 7 upon under root 4 minus x square plus cos inverse x by 2 upon root 2x plus 7 and divided by 2x plus 7. This is the differentiation of given question. Next, question number 6. The next question is cot inverse under root 1 plus sin x plus under root 1 minus sin x. Under root 1 plus sin x minus under root 1 minus sin x. तो फर्स्ट सॉल्व अंडर रूट 1 प्लस साइन एक्स. इसको हम लोग पहले सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे, इजी बनाएंगे तो आसान हो जाएगा. 1 को लिख सकते हैं हम लोग साइन स्क्वायर एक्स बाई 2 प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर एक्स बाई 2. इट इज इक्वल टू 1 एंड साइन एक्स इज इक्वल टू 2 साइन एक्स बाई 2 कॉस एक्स बाई 2. सिंपल. 1 इक्वल टू साइन स्क्वायर एक्स बाई 2 प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर एक्स बाई 2 and sin x equal to 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. It is a square of sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 whole square. And eliminate square root, it means it is equal to the sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2. Now similarly under root 1 minus sin x. It is also equal to the same sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2 and cos x by 2. It is also equal to sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. It is also a square of cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. Under root 1 minus sin x, it is equal to the cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. It means it is equal to the cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Just put the values in the given question. It means y equal to sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 cot inverse plus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 divided by sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 minus cos x by 2 and sign change, it is minus minus plus sin x by 2. Sin x by 2 cancel numerator and cos x by 2 cancelled in denominator. It is equal to the cot inverse 2 cos x by 2 upon 2 sin x by 2. 2 cancel. It is equal to the cot inverse cot x by 2. Now cot inverse cot x by 2 equal to, it is equal to the x by 2. Y equal to x by 2. So now the differentiation of dy over dx equal to d over dx of x by 2. It is equal to 1 by 2. The differentiation of this question is equal to 1 by 2. Next question number 7 is log x raised to power log x. So take y equal to log x raised to power log x. Take log equal to log x into log x. Now differentiation 1 upon y dy over dx. By product rule, first function and differentiation of second. And the second function and differentiation of first it is equal to the log x. Log x, the differentiation of log x is log x, and differentiation of log x is 1 by x. And in this log x, and differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Log x cancel, and cross multiply of y means log x raised to power log x, and it is equal to the 1 by x common 1 plus log x. Log x raised to power log x and 1 plus log x by x, or the 1 by x taken common, same. Okay. Question number 8. The question number 8 is a cos x plus b sin x. Suppose it is equal to y. Now dy over dx equal to, the differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. X means, and the differentiation of a cos x plus b sin x. Okay. It is equal to the minus sin a cos x plus b sin x. The differentiation of this is minus a sin x plus b cos x. Okay. Now take minus, multiply in this, so we get a sin x minus b cos x, and it is equal to sin a cos x plus b sin x. हो गया, ये साइन ये माइनस का मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, a sin x माइनस b cos x. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. Question number 9, sin x minus cos x raised to power sin x minus cos x. First, take y equal to sin x minus cos x raised to power sin x minus cos x. Take log y equal to sin x minus cos x log sin x minus cos x. Now differentiate. The differentiation of log y equal to 1 upon y dy over dx. It is equal to the, by product rule, sin x minus cos x, and differentiation of log sin x minus cos x plus log sin x minus cos x, and differentiation of sin x minus cos x. It is equal to the sin x minus cos x, and differentiation of this is 1 upon sin x minus cos x, and the differentiation of sin x is cos x minus sin x means plus sin x, and here plus log sin x minus cos x, and differentiation of this is sin x plus, cos x, differentiation of cos x minus sin x means cos x plus sin x. Now sin x plus cos x common, this cancel, sin x plus cos x cancel common, so we get 1 plus log sin x minus cos x. And now multiply the y, dy over dx, dy over dx. Here write y and put the value of y. sin x minus cos x raised to power sin x minus cos x. It is y, and again sin x plus cos x in bracket 1 plus log sin x minus cos x. Differentiation done. Okay. Question number 10. Question number 10 is y equal to x raised to power x plus x raised to power a plus a raised to power x plus a raised to power a. Y equal to x raised to power x raised to power a raised to power x, and a raised to power a. Differentiation of dy over dx. D over dx of x raised to power x, d over dx of x raised to power a. D over dx, differentiate each term, and d over dx of a raised to power a. This is the d over dx x raised to power x. This will be solved by taking log. The x raised to power a differentiation is a raised to power a into x raised to power a minus 1, and differentiation of ax is a raised to power x log a. Now differentiate this one. Suppose it is u. Take log x log x. Now differentiate 1 upon u du over dx. First term differentiation of second by product rule. It is equal to the x into 1 by x and log x, and du over dx equal to u. X cancel. Put the value of u is x raised to power x and 1 plus log x. Just put the value in this differentiation of this. So we can write dy over dx equal to x raised to power x 1 plus log x, and a x raised to power a minus 1, and a raised to power x log a. Okay. Question number 11. The question is x raised to power x square minus 3 plus x minus 3 raised to power x square. Suppose it is y. So we can take y equal to u plus v. U equal to x raised to power x square minus 3, and v equal to x minus 3 raised to power x square. Now first take log. Log u equal to x square minus 3 log x, and the differentiation of this is 1 upon u du over dx, the first function, and differentiation of second, and the second function, and differentiation of first. Now solve. X square minus 3 into 1 by x, and same log x, and differentiation of x square minus 3 into 2x. Cross multiply by u, so du over dx equal to x raised to power x square minus 3 into x square minus 3 by x plus 2x into log x. This is the u, du over dx. Okay. Now v. Log v equal to x square log x minus 3, and differentiate 1 upon v du over dx, first function, and differentiation of x minus 3. plus log x minus 3 and differentiation of x square. It is equal to the x square 1 upon x minus 3. Here is log x minus 3 into 2x. Okay. Now dv over dx equal to v is x square x minus 3 raised to power x square, and it is x square upon x minus 3 plus 2x log x minus 3. Now dy over dx, adding these two terms, du over dx plus dv over dx. Du over dx is x raised to power x square minus 3 by x square minus 3 upon x plus 2x log x, and dv over dx x minus 3 raised to power x square and x square upon x minus 3 plus 2x log x minus 3. This is the dy over dx.